Thank you.
Hi Tash, during Bench Fashion Show, kamusta yung interaction mo with Catherine?
Sorry.
During Bench Fashion Show, kamusta yung interaction mo with Catherine Bernardo?
Super nice. She's so sweet. Sobrang mabait siya. And you know what? She's very grounded. When I approached her first thing, she said to me, "Hey, how are you?" And you know what? For someone to make their way to just have a simple question, just like that, just see how you're doing. She's very nice, very kind, and very down to earth.
Yes. Thank you.
Ano ba yung gusto niyong message na i-relay sa families, sa relationships? Di ba kung ako yung audience, anong aabangan ko sa first family?
Yung dynamic ng families talaga, yung tunay na pamilya, yung there's a lot of love, there's a lot of laughter, and with every single hardship, there will always be someone smiling. That's all I can say muna, pero I hope that the first family will make everyone laugh and it will take you guys away from whatever it is. Just as we are going through any problems we face as the first family.
Ano ko lang sa'yo kasi I asked Andres, may balita kasi na parang he-dated daw kay Lynn Alcantara. Parang ikaw, sabi niya parang ikaw yung nag-introduce sa kanila. Ikaw yung pakilala sa kanya. Kay Lynn.
Oh yes, we're all friends. We're all friends. We all met, we've all known about each other because we all have common mutual friends. So the Lawrence, the Matt.
Pero hindi sila nag-date. Dito to. Mapa-invite na sa first.
Hey guys, I'm inviting you guys to watch The First Family sa TV5 every Sunday at 7:15 p.m.
Thank you!
Thank you! Thank you, Paula. Thank you guys! Thank you guys so much!
Picture!
Part picture with Natasha. Thank you, Dab.
Let's go. Yes.
Kaya ako din.
Ay, sorry.
Ay, solo muna.
You're also okay, go.
Hello Tasha,
Let's go.
Picture mo na kami.
From Janice Navila, Bulgar. Hi, good afternoon. Ang dami ng questions, pero syempre for Aga and Shirley muna. So there's celebrity couples na they don't allow their children to enter showbiz kasi may mga ayaw silang pagdaanan, may mga kinatatakutan sila. When Natasha and Andres told you na gusto nga nilang mag-showbiz, ano yung parang nasa isip nyo na ayaw yung pagdaanan nila na pinagdaanan nyo? At ano naman yung gusto nyo matutunan nila kaya inalaw nyo silang mag-showbiz?
Kasi mahirap yung pinayagan at saka hindi pinayagan. Parang wala sa amin talaga because growing up talaga, naging ano na namin mag-asawa yun na sinabi ko rin kahit yata siya na dress na, you know, at a certain age, we will have to let you
walang pula.
Meaning, you decide. Kasi ako maaga ko nag-umpisa sa buhay. Gusto ko mga anak ko, maaga rin nag-umpisa sa buhay. Ibig ko sabihin, kayo mag-desisyon. Magkamali kayo, wala kayong sisisihin kung may sarili ninyo. Pero, hindi po kita nagkamali kayo at sisihin yung sarili nyo, wala na pag-asa. Diba? Ayusin yung naging problema nyo, bumangon kayo, because parati naman may kinabukasan parati. So you always hope for the next day, you know? Parang kung may masama nangyayari ngayon, itulog mo yan, bukas mo, maayos naman yan. So, it's walang ibang payag, wala naman akong gusto maramdaman nila. Kaya lang, I just know for a fact that yung dinaanan ko sa mundong ito ay napakahirap. Because I started when I was 14 years old. So, teenager, umalis na ako sa bahay namin, nag-solo na kami ako. Ayaw ng parents ko yun, my parents did like that, but I said, I just want to decide on my own, ayokong sinasabihan ako. So, nung pinabayaan nila ako, doon ko naramdaman, nadapa-dapa ako ilang beses nung kanila. Wala nang nakakaalam itong kwento ito, mahaba nito, pero lubog na lubog ako, tapang-dapa ako sa buhay. But all I needed to do was go back to my parents and I'm okay. Pero hindi, trumabaho ako. Binangon ko ng binangon. Ilang taon na binangon ko. Natuto ako. So hindi na gusto ko mangyayari sa kanila. Pero masakit yun. But it will happen. Kasi ayoko rin lumakas nila. Iniisip nila na, okay lang tayo because our parents will take care of that. Ang sinasabi ko sa kanila, parang huwag isipin gano'n. Kasi parang kung ano pinagtrabahuan namin, parang dito, sa amin yan, yung inyo, gumawa kayo. Para, iba pakiramdam pag kayo gumawa ng sarili ninyong landas, sarili ninyong buhay, sarili ninyong pera. Kayo yan. Hindi dahil sa magulang ninyo. Kayo yan.
Independence.
Yeah. Yeah, at a very young age talaga, we've taught them to be very independent. Kasi yun din ang upbringing ni Aga. At 13 years old, nag-solo na siya. So, we're very careful also with the words that we say, na hindi kami nagdidictate sa kanila with what they want to do. Even with regards to yung schooling nila, anong bansa na pinili nila, silang pumili niyan. Where they're gonna stay, what they're gonna do, silang pumili niyan. And we respected that. We just, as parents, we just wanted to make sure, are they gonna be safe? And during that time when nag-college sila, it was a very difficult time kasi pandemic nun eh. So, hindi tayo nakakalabas ng bahay. And it was very hard bilang magulang na to send off your kids to school and to college not knowing saan sila titira, saan sila pupunta, sino mag-aalaga sa kanila. But we had to let them go so that they could also learn the life skills by themselves na wala kami doon. And sila nag-ayos lahat yan. So, they're very independent. So even until now, hindi kami nag-dictate sa kanila. We always respect their decision. So pag may project or anything na dumarating sa buhay nila, their words and decisions have value sa family namin. So yeah, I'd like to say that they're quite independent at very independent talaga sila at a young age.
Nakakatuwa naman na, di ba, yung upbringing nyo, talagang pinagkatiwalaan kayo sa decision making. Pero gano'n kayong ka-close sa Tasha and Andres, sa parents nyo? And meron bang mga bagay-bagay na kahit sobrang close nyo sa kanila, you keep to yourself pa rin? Or sa inyong dalawa lang, hindi nyo na pinapaalam sa kanila? Like, crushes talaga love life. Kasi sabi niya Aga kanina, hindi siya nakikialam, di ba? Pero kinikilig siya kay, ano?
Kasi nakikita ko lang yung kabataan ko dati. Alam mo, dati ba, pag binata ka, tapos may kasama ka sa class, parang may ganyan. Wala lang, parang feeling ko ako si Andres, di ba?
So ayun, sa hanggang saan yung closeness nyo and meron din bang mga boundaries? Like, ang mga bagay kayo sa inyo na lang?
So, in terms of closeness, we're very close talaga as a family. We're very tight kami mga. We like to do a lot of activities together. We like to play sports. We like to have coffee together for hours. But sa boundaries naman, wala namang boundaries. Basta respeto lang, di ba? There's some things you can't cross and some things you can say. But most of the time, full of laughter lang yan. For mga jokes we're doing. So,
nothing too serious. And like I said, we're really barkada. We do everything together, and then as long as there's respect, you have your boundaries there, of course. And just very encouraging to go on and do life and see where it goes. Pero yeah.
Thank you. So our last question is from Carl Jun of Kapatid.
Hello, good afternoon. Muna sa lahat, to the cast and director and writers of The First Family, sobrang congratulations. So, nung unang teaser drop pa lang, looking forward ko na po siyang kapanoorin. So, question ko lang po, supportive. So yun po, question for Roderick. So, kumusta naman po yung feeling na magkaroon po kayo ng TV comeback after more than years or less 4 years, and now this time naman po sa TV5?
4 years pa, hindi ko lang maalala kung... Hindi comedy, puro drama. But of course, I'm excited. Honestly, excited ako kasi makakasama ko sila. Si Aga, si Shirley, mas doon kasi parang hindi naman yata totoo yung parang naninibago ako. Kasi 10 years na ako sa showbiz eh. So parang nakakayanan sa pinaninibago. Ako, baka may mag-comment na, tanda mo na, nibago.
Hindi ka matanda. Basta naalala ko to. Kasi di ba, nakasando siya, bata ako noon. Nasa TV na siya, pinapanood ko siya. Nakasando siya, nakakaki na shorts.
Nalaglagan ba to?
Black and white pa TV.
Wala